This is a Bagheera. It is sneezing. This is Bagheera, black one. This is white one, that is Mowgli. Both are good cats, and Bagheera is extrovert and mesmerizing, and Mowgli is very cute and very beautiful. It's dumb. My younger son Ramakrishna Sahib brought from Dallas to Seattle. So I am just recording. Usually they stay at home. Now they just came out because I just returned from walking, and I opened the door. Then these two came inside, and they are enjoying. This is Bagheera. Yes, Mowgli. Hey. Beautiful cat, very cat. This is Bagheera. It's very mesmerizing. I think it's going inside. I don't know. So I'm standing here. Why? Because if I move here and there, it may go again inside. It may go inside the home. So that's why I'm standing here for a moment, so that I want to capture beautiful moments. Yeah, it's enjoying. This is Mowgli. That is Bagheera. Both are twins. So I request you to consider subscribing and sharing with your networks. I am an author, researcher, and storyteller. I create stories to make a difference and impact humankind. So this is Mowgli. This is Bagheera. So this both Bagheera and Mowgli in one frame. Both are together now. Thank you. It's okay then. These both are, I think they are eating grass. I don't know why. They are smelling. I don't know exactly. So I'm a survivor of brain stroke in the year of 2021, and I have health challenges. Right now I'm in Seattle. I'm enjoying in the company of my wife and my younger son. My younger son Ramakrishna Sai lives in Seattle, and I came to USA for the first time. And for the last 5 months, we have been enjoying great days in Seattle. So I don't want to disturb these two cats. These cats usually they are very curious. That's one aspect. Second aspect of cats is that they smell, and the cats want attention. So that's why I go and spend some time with both cats. It's rubbing. So let me see. Let me capture the moments. Both cats. So I offer temptations for both cats. The names are Bagheera and Mowgli. Mowgli is white one, and Bagheera is black one. Both are twins. Again they started fighting. It's a sibling rivalry, I can say in that way, because they both are siblings. Here is a small story I will share with you about this Bagheera and Mowgli. My younger son Ramakrishna Sai, when he was in Dallas, he wanted to purchase a kid. It was a kidly, newborn cat. So he took Bagheera, that's a black one. Then what happened when my younger son was taking Bagheera, then the white one started crying. So I felt very sad because I didn't want to. My son didn't want to separate both cats, and both are twins. And the intention of my younger son was to take only one cat. That he picked up only this Bagheera. So when he was about to go, then this white one, this Mowgli, was crying. Then he thought it's not ideal to separate twins. So then he took one more cat, that is Mowgli. This is the story behind these two cats, and he named these two cats as Mowgli and Bagheera, right? That's how he named them, and this is the story. And he takes care of these two cats, and both are good. And Bagheera is extrovert, and Mowgli is introvert. And Mowgli is dumb; it can't speak. And Bagheera, it shouts meow like that, whereas Mowgli, it can't. So it's a challenge. So everything happens for a reason. All that happens for good. So my son's decision to take one more cat is ideal, and he made a right decision. So I am happy for my son that he didn't separate Mowgli from Bagheera, because these two were born the same place in Dallas. So this is the story of Mowgli and Bagheera. So still I am standing here, although I have chronic back pain, and it's very cold in Seattle, and I am still holding my smartphone with my left hand because I don't want to disturb this both Bagheera and Mowgli. Once they move and go to the room, then I will discard. Okay, now it's this. Now I am enjoying the movements of Bagheera. It's rolling. These two cats, Bagheera and Mowgli, sometimes they fight, then again they love each other. So let me share one more story. What happened once, I went inside the room without knowing that Mowgli was already inside the room. I just closed the door and came out, and this Bagheera was outside. I didn't realize. Then I just walked within that house. Then this Bagheera, this one, it was shouting. It came to me and it was shouting. Then I was thinking, what was the problem? Then again, meow meow. Then it was shouting. Then I just went to the room. Then I came to know that Mowgli was inside. So then I realized that Mowgli was inside and this Bagheera was outside, and I just closed the door. So this Bagheera is more empathetic. It cares for Mowgli, and both are twins. This is a story. So I am sharing the stories of realities. I request you to consider subscribing and sharing with your networks. So right now I am standing at the door. Actually, I wanted to go inside, but both Bagheera and Mowgli came out. Then I captured the moment. So holding my smartphone with my left hand is very painful and stressful, and I can't shift my phone from left hand to right hand as my right hand has been paralyzed. My right shoulder has been numb for the last 4 years. It's very challenging, but still I am holding. So I want to capture these beautiful moments. So yeah, I think this is a shadow, my own shadow, and you can see. So friends, enjoy these precious moments, because what happens next that no one can predict. But now I am enjoying the moments in Seattle. Where I will go and where I will be there, that I myself do not know, because life is unpredictable. Let me share with you about my background. My name is Professor M.S.Rao. I have authored 53 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Noble Laureate, His Holiness Dalai Lama, has written a foreword. I have 43 years of diversified experience, including Indian Air Force, business, teaching and training. I am a late bloomer, dyslexic, ADHD, OCD, and add to that the brain stroke was a dampener in the year 2021. And I don't have two-wheeler, I don't have four-wheeler, and I don't have any regular income, and I don't get any pension. So this is my life. Despite all the challenges, I rose from the ashes like a phoenix. And I was born into a toxic family and grew up in a toxic environment. So my life is full of struggles. So I create stories to make a difference and impact humankind. I am a storyteller, and I am not a tech savvy, so I am only uploading raw videos because I want to keep these videos as my memories. And also I am sharing with my social networks. If people like my stories, they can share with their networks. So together we will build a better world. So I would like to leave a couple of messages because I am standing here for some more time until these two cats go inside the room. So be authentic, be ambitious, and emphasize empathy, emphasize humanity, practice gratitude. Life is all about possibilities. Be positive. My blood group is B positive, and I am positive by nature. Life is not linear. Life is not a straight line. Life is not a cakewalk. Life is full of challenges. So everyone has a story. Everyone has a hidden story. So my intention is to take out that hidden story and make it viral. This is my job I am doing. So this is Mowgli. I think now it's close to 14 minutes. This is Bagheera. So let me see for some more time how long these two will be there. Yes, Bagheera. Yes, how are you? Right. Good, very good, very good. Right. Enjoy. Because actually it's very cold in Seattle, but just now they came to enjoy the sun. And just, there was a snow here also, but not a heavy snow, but slightly snow was there. Now it's afternoon in Seattle. So this is the garden. We had apple some few months ago. Now we don't have any apples here. And we have a neighbor by name John. He's interested in gardening. Sometimes when he when he finds a time, he will do gardening, and he'll cut the excessive grass that he will crop. He will keep the garden clean and tidy. His name is John. He's our neighbor. He's very positive guy. I think he has gone out. So this is Mowgli, yeah? Bagheera, Mowgli, both are enjoying. No, enjoy. No, enjoy. No, enjoy. No, enjoy. See, that's the reason why I don't want to disturb both cats. Because both Bagheera and Mowgli feel safe with my presence. Yes? Yeah, come. Beautiful. This is Mowgli. Both cats, Bagheera and Mowgli, want attention. Okay, these two cats, they are tied with some with what that called, some names, so that because outsiders can't kill these two cats. So what my son does is that he regularly takes both Bagheera and Mowgli to hospital for treating, and I think every year for each cat he spends around $1,000. So this is what he does it. He cares a lot. So imagine when my son cares two cats, Bagheera and Mowgli. So how much my younger son Ramakrishna Sai cares me and my wife. My younger son has paid all the bills. He invited us to USA. He is also not financially strong, but still he managed, and he invited me and my wife, and we are in Seattle, and we are enjoying the great moments because of Ramakrishna Sai. So we are very happy for Ramakrishna Sai, and he cares for these two cats, Bagheera and Mowgli. And he spent, I think, around 5 lakhs when Bagheera has some kidney problem. So he spent around 5 lakhs for the treatment of Bagheera's kidney problem. Then he paid. Then again yearly he pays. Yearly he spends for $1,000 for each cat. Then apart from that, then again we offer treats and temptations for cats. So like that, lots of things we are doing. So we are doing. So be kind and be compassionate. Everyone has challenges. So be empathize with others. You must know that everyone has a challenges. So whatever is possible, you do it. There is another. So another, where is Mowgli? So just I want to know where is this Mowgli? Is very cute and sweet. Where is Mowgli is here. It's enjoying. It is enjoying. This is Mowgli. I was just looking. Where is Mowgli? It climbed. Mowgli climbed the tree. Oh my goodness. So Mowgli is hidden. Mowgli is hidden. It climbed the tree. See, it's so you can hear the sounds of aircraft. There are 2 airports in Seattle. There are multiple airlines, especially I recall 2 airlines. One is Alaska Airlines and second is Boeing. They are in Seattle. And entrepreneurship thrives in Seattle. So the Seattle is also known as the Emerald City, and lots of opportunities in Seattle. It's a great city, and people, the Seattleites are warm and friendly, and they are amicable and adjustable. They respect, they embrace diversity, and so it's a great city to live. And my younger son loves to stay in Seattle. He got offers in other places but he feels comfortable in Seattle. That's the reason why he is not looking for opportunities and is not moving to other places. So there are different reasons why people don't go to different places, because sometimes people go from one place to another place to get more hike, but everyone has their own reasons. But in the case of my son, he loves Seattle, so he's happy, and he's happy with Bagheera and Mowgli in Seattle. So he got better opportunities, but still he's not moving, so he's happy. So friends, happiness lies within, not outside. People think about happiness. People often search for stones by leaving gems at home. You are the gem, then why should you search for stone? This is a message to everyone. So happiness lies within. So I'm happy because of my wife and 2 sons. So happiness comes within. Even if I have billions, if I am not happy, then it doesn't serve my purpose. So we should be happy. We should be happy of what we are doing. So let us emphasize inner happiness. Let us emphasize inner beauty. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. I think it was said by John. I think John Keats said, I think of joy is a joy. I think of beauty is a joy forever. I think of beauty is a joy forever. I think it was said by John Keats, I think. So I don't recall the quote correctly. So I have some health challenges. Sometimes I am stammering. Sometimes I am repeating the same story in view of my brain stroke. It's okay, no problem. So they are happy, both Bagheera and Mowgli. It's enjoying. This is Bagheera, it's enjoying. Bye. It's enjoying. So still I am holding for some more time with my smartphone. Holding my smartphone with my left hand is very challenging, and it is stressful and painful, and I can't shift my smartphone from left hand to right hand, as my right hand has been numb. Very challenging, but I want to capture the beautiful moment, so it's yanning, I think. So these are the houses. They are all the from different parts, and they migrated and they are here. I think it has come close to me. I think it will rub. It's rubbing, It's rubbing, It won't leave me actually. It has got connected with me. First, for a few days it didn't come to me. Now it came very close to me, and I can't leave these both cats. Maybe because daily 4 times I feed cats, and sometimes I offer treats and temptations. So like that, lots of things I am doing. So they are happy. Yeah. So this is Bagheera, Mowgli. Yeah, look here, darling. Yeah, see, it's enjoying. See, it's enjoying. It's enjoying. It wants. Cats want to have attention. They're rubbing actually. This Mowgli has got asthma problem, and Bagheera has kidney problem. So some problems. As every individual has healthy challenges, so every cat, every animal has got challenges. So we must learn to live with realities. See, we can't be provided with everything on a platter. It's very happy. It's very grace. It's a very gracious cat. Mowgli is gracious and Bagheera is mesmerizing. I can say in that much. So both are in the same frame now. Bagheera is a mesmerizing cat and Mowgli is a gracious cat. I think it's going inside. So once it goes inside, then I'll wind up. It's rolling, you know. Oh, it's enjoying. Oh my goodness. It's enjoying. Oh, good. It's very happy. Right? So I'm holding. I don't know how long these two cats be patient. So for me, it's a stress to hold my smartphone. It's coming to me. Because I can't capture these moments. So I think that 32 minutes I'm holding my smartphone at a stretch. So friends, please consider subscribing and sharing with your network.